Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2023 INFINITI QX80 Sensory. Now when we talk about QX80s, this is the car we're talking about, a white saddle Sensory. This is our favorite INFINITI at INFINITI of Nashua. Or not favorite INFINITI, favorite QX80 for INFINITI of Nashua. And just one look at the interior can tell you why. Saddle is only available on the Sensory trim level. You get theater, standard, heated rear seats, 2-mode of course, USB-C charging. You can pop that open. So say you have like a box of tissues or a bag of candy. For road trips, rear seat passengers can pop that right open so they don't have to beg and plead you to open it. What a car. So let's talk about window sticker. Sticker price $91,055 as tested. So you have 3-year now scheduled maintenance, and I believe it's for 44,000 miles as well. So that includes tire rotations, oil changes, brake fluid change, in-cabin air filters. It's absolutely covered, free of charge, which is where your increase in sticker price comes from. For example, the 2022s never went over 90,000. Now we're at 91. But for that, it makes up for it. 5.6 liter V8, 400 horsepower, 413 pound-feet of torque. Hydraulic body motion control system, standard on Sensories. Other than that, it's all relatively self-explanatory. For 2023, they've also changed the location of your blind spot monitor. It used to be in the mirror mount right here, and now it is up on your mirror. Those are your two big changes, the complimentary maintenance and the blind spot monitor. Other than that, it remains very much the same. Here you have your 4 low, 4 high, and then you can push into 4 low, and I'm pretty sure you have to. There it goes. Oh, I like that. Okay, so when you put it in 4 low, it knows you're going over some rough terrain, so it's gonna pop up the camera and show you what you're approaching. That's pretty cool. Tow mode, traction control off, snow mode. Standard on all QX80s is wireless charging. You wouldn't really know it unless you knew where to find it, but you pop this open, wireless charging, USB-C, USB. So remember how I showed you that can pop open, but that all accesses down in here. So there's your cubby hole to access what's down here. This here goes like so. Obviously, around view monitor. But without further ado, let's go for a drive. Towing capacity, 8,500 pounds. Obviously, it's not a heavy-duty truck, but it definitely can tow a good amount. I will say, with Sensory, you get the upgraded Bose sound system. And when I say this is my favorite sound system in Infiniti, it's 100% true. This sound system is absolutely spectacular. On Sensory, you also get cooled seats, heated seats, heated steering wheel, standard across all QX80s. Sensory adds your cooling seats. It's also going to add higher quality leather. It's going to be quilted as well. I'm sure you saw that when I was looking at the back seat area. And it's going to add this wood grain steering wheel, which it's still heated all the way around, so don't worry about that. I will say the QX80 and even the Armada, because it uses the same engine, they sound so good. I've never driven one of these in tow mode. Let's try that. Will say, Sensory of course adds that hydraulic body motion control system. I've spent so much time in these that I can 100% feel the difference. It just, the way it rides, so much nicer. And the Luxes and Premium Selects are great cars too, and they ride very well, but there's just something a little bit more special about this Sensory. Okay. So, at higher speed, it's gonna under braking downshift for you. I see. Yep, okay. That's tow mode. It's gonna add some engine braking. Smart. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.